Hey guys, it's Katie here, and today I'm going to be adding weird addings into my blue slime. Sorry that you can hear my little sister in the background. 1 second. Sorry guys that I couldn't edit that part. I'm a unicorn. I look bad in this mask. Alright, so I'm gonna have my little sister Allie come over here and she's gonna shuffle these and mix them up. So Allie, come here and mix up all these ingredients so that I can't see with the blindfold. No, don't dump them in. You like shuffle them around and stuff, okay? Move them all around. Like, if you had water, move it, switch it with like this activator or something, okay? You have to mix them all up. Not in the slime though.
Okay, not in the slime. Ouch, stop it, Lincoln. Okay.
Shuffle them. Don't take any, oh, you're doing it right. Tell me when you're ready for me to do it.
Okay.
Ready?
Nope. Okay, now I'm ready.
I'm not gonna feel it. Is it in the slime?
Yes.
Oh, I got rubber bands. I got rubber bands. We can't mix it. Lincoln! Sorry guys, Lincoln! Oh, we don't do that. We don't do that, baby. All right, now it's Allie's turn. And Allie, I'm gonna shuffle them up. So I'm gonna tell you to put the blindfold down and then you're gonna put down the blindfold.
Okay.
On your head. And you're not allowed to stick your hand inside of what you get, and I'll tell you when I'm ready. All right, you leave it just like that, okay? Don't touch it or anything.
Okay, so.
How do I know? How do I know? Okay, go.
Okay. What is this?
All right, lift up your mask. Oh no, here, let me put this in. It's activator.
Activator?
Okay, that's good. Don't mix it in. All right, it's my turn. Lincoln's underneath the table. If you guys don't know, that's the name of my doggy. All right, it's down. Shuffle them and tell me when you're ready.
Okay. Oh, see, I'm not ready yet, okay?
Okay. Now I can't see. Oop.
Ready.
No. Whatever that is.
Careful.
Oh, I got water!
Careful.
Okay, we can't mix it until all the ingredients are used. Here you go. Put the blindfold on and sit down.
Okay.
Oh my gosh, we're supposed to have our Aunt Roma over today. All right, let me mix them. Oh, I need the... Got it.
Okay.
No.
Water.
Just a little drop.
Okay.
That's good. Put in way too much. Guys, I can't wait to show you the slime when it's done. Ready? Okay. Ready? It's air. It's air, guys. Here you go. We just thought adding a cup of air would make it good.
Hello, ladies.
Hi, Daddy.
I'm thinking we can do something cool with that epoxy stuff in
Ready?
the garage today.
Kate, are you ready?
Making a YouTube video.
Kate, are you ready?
Yeah.
Daddy. Oh no. Allie, you got rubber bands.
Alright.
Okay, my turn. So Allie's gonna shuffle them now. Okay. And then I'm gonna have to pick out one. I'm gonna go for something good.
Okay, Daddy's right by you.
Daddy, where are you?
Right here.
Okay,
You're
ready?
ruining all these hair ties and putting them in slime?
Hey! Those are not hair ties.
Ew, what did I just stick my finger in?
They're looms.
Disgusting.
Go! I'm trying to look for where they are. You put them far.
No, they're close to you. Don't take all of them.
I can't do it. I want this. Oh, I think I know what I got. I probably got Kawaii Slime Activator. Do it.
Okay, so it's my turn.
All right, guys, so this is the last round, and then me and Allie are going to mix it up together. All right, now I'm not going to shuffle it up, okay? So, Allie, you can go.
So, what is this?
You probably know what that is.
Water.
A little drop, a little drop.
Okay.
That's good.
Scared me.
Allie.
You scared
All right, let
me.
me have my chair back. So Allie's gonna scooch her chair next to me. And we're gonna mix up the slime and show you how it is at the end. Oh my gosh, that's so much water, Allie. What'd you do to this poor slime? The rubber bands aren't even staying in. You only use one hand, Allie. One hand. One hand. You're using two. One hand. One hand. Oh my gosh, it's getting sticky. Allie, one hand, because now I can't mix it because you're using two hands. This is my channel. One hand. All right, so I'm gonna take it out now. Allie, let go of it. And I'm gonna do all the mixing. These rubber bands aren't staying in. Now I know what I'm not gonna be when I grow up. A chemistress.
I got your blue slime.
Me, 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 me.
I hate you.
Telling Dad.
Never mind, sorry. Actually, I don't like you. Nana, I got your slime.
All right, guys. So and mixing in the water. And now the hair ties should stay in because it's a sticky slime from all that water. And this was an overactivated slime, so
This is
hopefully the water
the
didn't just ruin it.
slime. This is the slime.
It's so pretty teal. I love that color.
This is actually.
Don't you guys love it? Comment down below what your favorite slime color is. Now, Allie, get the slime off of the camera. Allie, get it off!
Do you dare me to cut the slime?
No,
Why?
because then it doesn't come back together.
It does.
Yeah, when it's sticky.
It is sticky.
My sister's being a bad sister.
It got stuck in
All right, guys, so this is the slime.
Who lost the piece of papaya? Let's make a piece of papaya. Piece of papaya.
So, turns out this weird add-in is not as weird. At least all it has in it is rubber bands, water, and a lot of activator. This slime is so tough, guys. Allie, if you're gonna mess around, shush your mouth.
You said I'm stupid.
That's what I said. Oh my gosh, guys.
Nobody likes you.
I'm stretching out this rubber band and it's not breaking.
Put some bread fries on this.
Guys, look at this.
Nobody will like you.
All right, guys. Sorry that my hair is such a mess.
Food. Here's your food.
Please like, subscribe, and turn on your post notifications. You guys are the best.